Need a haircut in Japan? It can seem kind of scary, but don't worry, we'll make it super simple.
Yeah, it can feel a little confusing, but it's simpler than you think. Let's break it down. Okay, first up, you've got the Rihatsuten, which is the barbershop, also called a yokoya-san.
Then you have the Biyōin, the beauty salon. So what's the real difference between them?
For you, the choice really just comes down to the services, the price, and the whole atmosphere.
Look, the key difference is right here. Barbershops offer that classic face shave. Salons focus on styling.
And money-wise, well, barbershops are often a little easier on the wallet for a standard cut.
All right, so let's walk through what it's actually like to visit a barbershop, a Rihatsuten.
It's a really straightforward process. You just walk in, wait for your turn, and tell them what you want.
That hot towel face shave is a classic part of the experience. After they style you up, you just pay.
Okay, let's switch over to the beauty salon, the Biyōin. As you'll see, it's a bit different.
The number one thing here is making a reservation. You'll want to book your spot ahead of time.
So you can see it's a more detailed, service-oriented process from beginning to end, very thorough.
But what if you're short on time and cash? Don't worry, there's a solution for that.
Believe it or not, for about 1,000 yen, you can get a fast, no-frills haircut.
These places are all about speed. You buy a ticket, get your cut, and they even vacuum up loose hair.
All right, let's wrap this up. Here are the absolute key things you need to remember.
So now you're totally prepared to get a great haircut in Japan. Which one's it going to be?